Hey, what's up guys, Josh here.
And Zach.
From the Pokeduo. And today we got ourselves our first kind of official Fates Collide product here. We got the Blister pack. So yeah.
Official?
Like actual package thing. You know what I mean?
What about packs? Those are packages.
Yeah, I know. Okay. So anyway, that was bad said. But yeah, so this came with the Vivillon promo holo and Pikachu coin. But what else is good? So we'll get right into this here.
Bug life, y'all.
I just hate doing these blister packs. They can never open the way I want them to. Come on. There we go. Okay, so yeah, we got this blister pack today, and we'll probably coming soon will probably be the Elite Trainer box as always, and yeah, probably some pin blisters, and I know there's a Froakie blister, and yeah, that's for the future on this channel.
That's for August when these videos will release.
Just get everything out here. Garbage. Yeah, I know. Alright, so yeah, Pikachu coin, you've already seen that, and this new Vivillon promo card, very cool. And now what you're all here for, the 3 packs of Fates Collide. So we'll get right into these here. Sorry, giving me trouble.
So we're gonna get the secret, right?
Probably not. Okay, get everything sorted here. Okay, and we got ourselves Alakazam Spiritling, Wormadon, Evolution Spring. Sorry, we just had an interruption there, so yeah, that was awkward. Anyway, Fennekin, Jigglypuff, a reverse energy pouch, and rare is a Moltres. Nice. Don't you just hate when you get interruptions?
Yes.
Okay, so regular rare Moltres, pretty cool. Okay, next pack here. Will not open. Either. Okay. And we got here Wormadam, Loudred, Benspoon, Jigglypuff, Fennekin, Snubble, Seal, Bronzor, reverse Diglett in the rare, Omastar.
Garbage.
Last pack here, leave you a break, pack art. Wow, these packs are just a little weird today. Hoping to end it on a good note here. I think that was 3. Something weird happened there. Okay, we got Hawlucha, Chaos Tower, Altaria Spirit Link, Snivy, Jigglypuff, Fennekin, Snubble, Seal, a reverse rare Bronzong, and rare Holo Tyranitar. So those were our pulls right there. Pretty good pulls. I don't know, is that not the best pulls?
No.
Out of 3 packs you should get an EX. So yeah, that's all for this video guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.